Hey guys, it's videotechdude. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about my first impressions of the Samsung Tab S6. I've had the Samsung Tab S6 for a couple days now, and I've really liked it a lot. It's a lot thinner than the Tab S4, but that's because it does not have a headphone jack. It only has the USB Type-C port right there, and that's about it. It still has the 4 speakers, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top right here, which make awesome sound. I love it a lot, and it can actually get pretty loud with the sound, in my opinion. On the back, the pen attaches right here just with a magnet, and it can be pretty easy just to whack the pen off of there. So I'd wish it had some kind of easier way to store it, but that might be an option with a case. I was actually not aware of it, but this has the normal lens, but also an ultra wide lens as well, which I've used to upload to Instagram, which you have to record it first on the device and then upload it to Instagram via the gallery, but it still works and it's super cool. It has an expandable storage right here on the bottom, so you can put a micro SD card in there and expand to like a terabyte of storage or something like that, and it's crazy. The screen is beautiful yet again on this tablet, and you pull down the screen and we got brightness controls right here. It gets about as bright as I want it, so that's great. And it's a Samsung screen, so you always get that vibrant screen, which I really like a lot. This tablet is actually a bit smaller than the Tab S4, but the screen is the same size. You might be wondering, well, how is that possible? It's actually because the borders on the edge of the tablet are thinner, so you can have a smaller tablet but have the same size screen. It's super cool, and it makes it look nicer as well, in my opinion. The selfie camera is pretty good quality, not the best you're gonna find, but for a tablet, it does the job pretty well. A feature that I like about the sPen on this tablet is that you can actually use it as a remote. I haven't tried it out with all the functions yet, but one thing that I did do is I set up my tablet across the room with the ultra wide lens, and I was able to use the button on the sPen to start a recording, and then I push it again to stop the recording. And it's super cool that this little thing can be remote as well, and I can't wait to see what else this can do. One feature I haven't tried with any device until this one is the in-screen fingerprint sensor. So it may not look like this tablet has a fingerprint sensor, but false, it does have a fingerprint sensor. It's actually like right here. I'll turn the tablet off and then on again, and then I put my thumb right here, and it unlocked the first try. That was pretty lucky, but I usually have to do it like 2 or 3 times. So I also enabled face recognition on here as well, and so whatever it recognizes faster, it will do, and it's just kind of a fail-safe to get in here a lot quicker. One super nice feature with this tablet is the battery life. The battery life was great on the Tab S4, which I had before this, and I was wondering how it would compare with this one. This one is about the same, I'd say. I haven't used it that much yet, but I did leave it unplugged overnight. I took note of what the battery life was right before I went to sleep, and then what it was when I woke up 7 hours later, and it only had depreciated 3%. This was pretty impressive, and I was pleased to see the results. The Tab S4 is still a pretty quick device if you're looking for a bit cheaper of a tablet, but still looking for great performance. I'll have a separate video on the review of that tablet down below. But this tablet, I've been happy with the performance increased as the newer Snapdragon processor, so you get all that power in a package being the Tab S6. Well, that's my first impressions with the Tab S6. I've been liking it a lot. If you want me to do a more in-depth review after a couple months of using it, drop a comment down below, just let me know. Also, if you have any questions, also ask me in the comments below. I'll try to respond to you pretty quick. If this video helped you out, a subscribe would be awesome, and a like would be cool as well, but you can do whatever you'd like as always. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you later.